So just a couple of reminders before we get going. So the last day to opt in for the Chapter 6 test was supposed to be Friday. If anybody's having second thoughts about that or wants to opt in and they forgot the ASAP to do that. The last homework check is going to be Tuesday. That's tomorrow at 8 a.m. So we're looking for 1 through 42 from the homework and then worksheet 1. I'm going to delete out all the shared folders and shared information from OneNote on Friday this week. So if I don't think that'll affect your shared notebooks with me, but because I think they're probably backed up on your machine also, but I'm not 100% positive on that. If I delete them from my end, if you will lose them on your end also. But to be safe, I would suggest you just kind of move that content to the non-shared portion of your OneNote if that's something you don't want to accidentally lose. Our assessment day is Thursday this week, and everybody should attend. After attendance, though, unless you're taking the optional Chapter 6 test, you'll be dismissed. So there's just a little brief check-in. And yeah, so that's the announcement phase of class. Are there any questions about any of that? All right, very good. Today last week we had finished the content for Chapter 6, so there's no new notes or anything to do. I'd reserve time today just to take questions regarding the Chapter 6 homeworks. So if there are any of those, I'll take those. You can type your question into the chat, or you can speak it aloud if it's not something that's easily typable. But if it's something specific like, number 8 from worksheet 1, you can just put that into the chat and we'll queue those up and kind of knock them out. Okay, so it seems like you guys have no more questions about any of that, which is fine. So we'll just end up dismissing you guys here very early. So thank you for the semester. You guys, I think, worked very hard, and I hope you got a lot out of things. We'll see you guys again on Thursday this week for the assessment day. I think I just have 2 people scheduled to take the Chapter 6 test. So again, if you're not scheduled to take that, you'll just come in, sign in for attendance, and then we'll dismiss you for the semester. So yeah, so you guys are free to go. Make sure you type here and bye into the chat. I know that I probably missed some of you guys' hears. That's not a big deal, but before you go, please type bye in, and you are dismissed for the day. So thank you guys for managing to show up and figure things out technology-wise. It might have been a challenging morning with what's going on with Google. So thank you for that, and have a nice day.